Hello and welcome to Mathematics Online. Today we are continuing from subtraction of decimal numbers, that is unit 6. In this part we are going to solve worksheet 4, which is similar to addition of decimal numbers. Okay, in this worksheet let us start our worksheet 4, question number 1a. If it is 3.8 minus 2.6, then 3.8 minus 2.6, 8 minus 6 is equals to, that is decimal part, 8 minus 6 is equals to 2, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, similarly in B, 98.86 and 26.62, 6 minus 2, here 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 6 is 2, decimal 8 minus 6 is 2, and 9 minus 2 is 7. In the similar manner we have to complete question number 1 A to F. Okay, next one, arrange in columns and subtract. In the previous part, arrange in columns and add. Here arrange in columns and subtract, but here we have to take one important fact is 6.3. Here 6.3 from 9.5, you have to write 9.5 here and 6.3 here. Okay, and then subtract the same. 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so 3.2 is your answer. Next one, 45.6 is here and 55.352 is here, and you have to first make the like decimals, that is 55.352 and another one is 45.6. you have to put 2 zeros after the decimal part. Okay, that is 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3, that is 13, minus 6 is 7, here is 4, that is 14 minus 5 is 9, here 4 and 4 is equals to 0. Okay, in this way we have to solve this. Now in the similar way, worksheet 5, we have to complete the fill in the blanks. 2.65 minus 0, anything, when we subtract 0 it gives the number itself. So 2.65 minus 0 is equals to 2.65. Similarly 19.5 minus 0 is equals to 19.5. 29.38 minus 0 is equals to 29.38. like this we have to fill the blanks. Okay, and in F, the number minus the same number gives you result 0. Okay, in the same way, in the word problem you have to arrange the statements which is given in the question. That is, Raju got rupees 60 as pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.50 and 16 rupees 50 paise on ice cream. How much money is left with him? So pocket money of Raju is rupees 60. Money spent on ice cream is equals to rupees 16.50. Now you have to subtract these. You will get the money left with him, that is rupees 43.50. In the same way, Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. The same manner we have to write the statement and its value. Milk, total capacity of milk bought 2.750 liters, milk used for curd 1.500 liter. That is, you have to write in like decimals. Now we have to subtract. The quantity of milk left is equals to 1.250 liters. Okay, in the same way, Amit travel a distance of 15.55 kilometer. If he travel 12.400 kilometer by bus, and he rests by scooter. Find the distance covered by the scooter. In the same way, we have to write the statement and the values. After that, we have to subtract the quantity and find the answer, that is distance covered by the scooter. Okay. Next one is brain teaser. In the brain teaser is a collection of all those sums and all the question and its answer are given. So you have to go through the videos, okay, and all the answers are already done for you. Okay. If the sum of decimal is 0.9, if one of them is 0.674, find the other. In the similar manner, sum of decimal is 0.9, one of the decimal is 0.675 and another decimal is 0.225. Okay. Here you have to write in decimal form, in like decimals. You have to form the number in like decimals. After that you have to solve it. Okay. Next one, this is a very important question. A tower is painted in red, white and black. If 25.5 meter is painted red, 15.75 meter in black and 10.25 meter in white. Okay. Meter in white. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Tower is painted red. It is given and it is meant for you. If the tower is 25.5 meter, okay, and in black color is 15.75 meter and white color is 10.25 meter, then you have to add all the terms. Okay, it gives you the height of the tower is equals to 51.50 meter. Okay, you have to do this question because this is very important question. And another one is sum of the three decimal is 95.3. if two decimal numbers are 43.82 and 26.058, find the third number. Okay, so you have to add two decimals, first decimal and second decimal. This gives you the 69.878 is the sum of two decimals. Now from the total sum you have to subtract the sum of the two decimals. It gives you the value of third decimals. Okay. In the similar manner, you have to fill the magic boxes in every, from top, from bottom, in every rows or columns you have to add, and it gives you 4.5. Okay. Now in the value based, it will be done for you, and you have to read the content value based question and solve it accordingly, which is solved by me, and this helps you to solve your questions also. Okay, so